Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jeff Handyman here. I got this house 2x4, the one that I used to frame the wall, but now I gotta grow that wall to about 2x6, which is true 5.5 inches. And in order for me to do that, I'm doing some magic here. So I got this 2x3, which is true 1.5 by 2.5. So what I'm doing is leaping off the half, so I am left with 1.5 by 2 exactly, and then I frame it on the 2x4 wall, and this will grow the wall from 2x4 to 2x6. And by doing so, I'm increasing the cavity in this area so that I can install the insulation, the R21 required for me in order to pass inspection. Because the main goal is to get this garage space to become a dwelling place. So if you're new to my channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and let's get rolling. So as you can see, after leaping off the half inch on the 2x3 piece of lumber, I am left with a 2x2, pretty much 1.5 by 2, and I'm stacking them like there, as you can see. Hopefully this will give me what I need. Here we go. I'm doing it on the top plate, bottom plate, all the stands, as you can see, and I'm hoping this will pass the inspection. Let me know what you think on the comment section. I'll have to remove even those receptacles and bring them a little bit outer, and as you can see, now I have exactly 5.5, typical 2x6. I don't know, it's always a half inch off. And that's it guys, stay tuned. My name is Jeff Handyman. Kindly subscribe, share, and let me know what you think on the comment section. And bye bye for now.